All right, so today we're taking a look at the brand new Infinix Note 60 Pro, a smartphone that's clearly aiming to deliver a flagship-like experience without going all the way into flagship pricing. From a sleek design, a large AMOLED display, to a massive battery and capable performance, on paper, this phone looks very promising. So in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know, from design, display, performance, camera, all the way to battery and extra features to see if this is actually worth your attention. Starting with the design, the Infinix Note 60 Pro comes with a clean and modern look. It features a glass front protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, paired with an aluminum frame and aluminum back, which gives it a solid and premium feel in hand. The phone measures just 7.4 millimeters thin and weighs around 201 grams, so it still feels relatively slim considering the large battery inside. One interesting addition here is the RGB notification light and active matrix display on the back, giving it a bit of personality, especially for users who like something unique. You also get IP64 protection, meaning it's resistant to dust and water splashes. Not fully waterproof, but still a nice bonus. Moving on to the display, this is one of the highlights of the device. You're getting a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1208 by 2644, delivering sharp visuals with great color reproduction. It also supports a 144 Hz refresh rate, which means scrolling and animations feel incredibly smooth, especially for gaming and everyday usage. Brightness is also impressive, reaching up to 4,500 nits peak, making it easily visible even under direct sunlight. Plus, it supports Ultra HDR, giving you better contrast and more dynamic visuals when viewing supported content. Under the hood, the Infinix Note 60 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4, built on a 4nm process. It features an octa-core CPU with Cortex A720 and A520 cores, paired with the Adreno 810 GPU, which should handle most games and apps smoothly. For memory, you get options of 8GB or 12GB RAM, along with 256GB storage, although there's no microSD card slot. On the software side, it runs Android 16 with XOS 16, and Infinix promises up to 3 major Android updates, which is a good sign for long-term usability. Now let's talk about the camera. On the back, you get a dual camera setup, led by a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, which should help with stabilization and better low-light shots. There's also an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, allowing you to capture wider scenes. For video, it supports up to 4K at 30 FPS and also 1080p up to 120 FPS. On the front, there's a 13-megapixel selfie camera, also capable of recording 4K video, which is quite impressive for this segment. For audio, you get stereo speakers tuned by JBL, which should provide a richer and more immersive sound experience. However, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, so you'll need to rely on wireless audio or USB-C. In terms of connectivity, it supports 5G, Wi-Fi dual band, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and even an infrared port, which is still a nice feature to have. Battery is another strong point here. The Infinix Note 60 Pro comes with a massive 6,500 mAh battery, which should easily last a full day or even more depending on usage. Charging is also very fast, with 90-watt wired charging, capable of going from 0 to 100% in around 41 minutes. You also get 30-watt wireless charging, along with reverse wired and wireless charging, which is very convenient. There's even a bypass charging feature, useful for gaming as it reduces heat and battery stress. For security, you get an under-display fingerprint scanner, along with a full set of sensors, including gyroscope, compass, heart rate sensor, and even SpO2 monitoring. So overall, it's quite a complete package in terms of features. So overall, the Infinix Note 60 Pro brings a very balanced package: a smooth display, solid performance, capable cameras, and a massive battery with fast charging. It's clearly designed for users who want a premium experience without paying premium prices. And honestly, based on the specs alone, this could be one of the most interesting devices in its category. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.